Law enforcement officials released a trove of video evidence earlier this week in the ongoing investigation. Files released by the Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office include a video of investigators debriefing Baldwin on the set of Rust.
The actor can be seen talking to police, stating that he was the one who held the gun before asking a crew member for a cigarette, saying that he was trembling.
Detective Roy Arndt. Nice to meet you, sir. Yeah, if we could have a chat over here. Are you doing okay?
No, I'm not, actually.
Okay. Yeah. Crazy series of events. So, we're requesting that you and Ms. Gutierrez conduct interviews back at the Santa Fe County Sheriff's Office. Yeah, if an associate
you tell me what to do.
Okay.
You tell me what to do.
We would appreciate that, and then we'll.
When do you want me to do that?
We're gonna probably go right now.
So can I take my car? That's my car. Go back to the base camp, get rid of the wardrobe, get my clothes and stuff, and then I'll follow you?
Yes. I think... No, that's okay. I think we might... I don't know if this is suspected blood or real blood.
Oh, this is fake.
Fake, okay.
Yeah. This is all theatrical.
I'm going to talk...
Across from me.
Okay. I'm going to talk to our crime scene technician and see what she'd suggest or would like.
In the interest of time, can I get in my car, go back to the base camp, give them everything, put my street clothes on and gather my stuff, and I'll be down at the base camp waiting for you.
Okay.
They know where my trailer is, but I'll just wait for you. I mean, I'm going to do whatever you tell me to do.
Right, okay.
So,
yeah.
let me know. I'll be down at the base camp. I have a trailer there.
Okay.
Let me give them the wardrobe back, put my street clothes on, gather my personal items, and then I'll be down there in that car, and you tell me where to follow you to.
Okay.
I'll go right away. Is that okay?
Yeah, that sounds good, sir.
That sounds good.
And we're going to go talk to Ms. Gutierrez right now because we're going to request the same information. I'm going to ask the armory specialist. She's a little shaky.